Welcome back to my channel TechSense. As we discussed in the last video that we have three kinds of apps in Power Apps. One is Canvas apps, second is model driven apps, third is portals. And today we are going to learn how we can create Canvas apps and how we can customize it. So as you can see that this is the portal where we can access the Power Apps portal. So this is make.powerapps.com. This is the admin center where we have all the environments. So we can manage the environments here. And if we want to see the apps for a specific environment, then we can just select the environment and we can see all the apps here. Okay. So creating the Canvas apps, it's very easy. Create your app, connect with the data source. Data source could be anything. If you can see here, you can connect with the Dataverse, you can connect with the SharePoint, you can connect with the Excel, or maybe a SQL. SQL on-premise or online, Excel also OneDrive or any other form. And once you create the app, connect with the data source, then you can just share your app inside the organization so that people can use it. Now, why we should use Canvas apps? For an example, there's an employees of a large restaurant might fill out work schedules and vacation requests on a piece of paper. Then it's a very time taking process if they mention their leaves in the piece of paper and then they pass it on. But if you create the Canvas apps and share with all the employees inside your organization, they can just use their smartphone, they can open the app to record the same information anywhere, anytime. The app can even send reminders for the start of the next day's shift. So let's see how we can create it. So what I'm going to do here, I am going to here's my data. I exported it. So as you can see, this is the format basically. It's in floor estimating app. You can say that's the name. That's the category. The price for each product. The image. This image is the URL as you can see here. So it's hosted online. And then the overview. What I'm going to do, I am going to upload this particular Excel file in my OneDrive. So if you can see here, it's already uploaded. Just use the same credentials. Once you use the same credentials, you can just upload the Excel. Once you uploaded the Excel, go here. Since it's Excel format, click Excel. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect with the data. There is no connections. So let's create a connection first. What kind of connection is this? It's a OneDrive connection, OneDrive for Business. Let's create it. Okay, as you can see here, it already it's already connected with the OneDrive. How? Because I'm using the same credentials for my OneDrive and for my Power Apps as well. So it's already connected. Then it will give me all the Excels that I have in my account. So as of now, there is only one Excel. So click here. There is only one table, as I mentioned here. That's the flooring estimates table. Select this table, connect. Now this is going to be my data source. Whatever the details will be here will come as a list in the app. That was my Power Apps, the portal. And here, if you can see, this is the Power Apps Studio where you can customize your apps. It's a three screen app, you can say. How it's a three screen app? First is the browse screen. That's the browse screen. If you have to customize this screen, right, then you have to just click on the browse screen and you can customize. If you want to add any function, add any logic, then you can do it here. Then the second screen is the detail screen. This is the detail screen for each item. And if you want to edit a particular record, then this is the edit screen. So see, it's very simple. You need not to write the whole code. You need not to build any logic behind it. It's just a click, click, click. Then once you customize it, and yeah, of course, the data is coming from the Excel because my connector is OneDrive. You can connect using Dataverse, then the data will come from the, your model driven apps. You can connect with the SQL server as well. Then the data will come from SQL server. Once you add the item, just by clicking on this add icon, the data will go there. And if you want to test it, just click on this preview thing, preview the app. So this is my app. Looks good, right? And just click here. This is the detail. If you want to edit it, just edit it. And yeah, save. It's saved already. Yeah. So it's very easy to create the Canvas app. Now, how can users use it? There is an application, mobile application. It's available Android and App Store as well, Play Store and App Store. It's called Powerapps. Once you install, let's say I am the employee of an organization, and in my organization we use this app. So what I can do, I can just install the Powerapps app, and I should have a user inside it. So I will be using my credentials, user ID and the password, and then I will be able to see all the list of apps available for me, and in one of them this flooring estimates will be there. So it's as simple as that. So that's it for today. In upcoming videos we will be able to see that how we can customize this particular thing. Yeah, okay.